some tinted windows. That's a traffic stop.
That's for the handcuffs, for tinted windows, right? That's every day though.
Where's that fix-it ticket at? Hurry up and give it to him.
Get him out the cuffs, man.
Tell me where's the law.
Whoa.
Hey, look, they're letting them go over there. They're letting them go. Oh.
You know you're.
Hey, good job, Pig. Whoa, you guys got him, huh? Walk the shade, guys.
I just need to know that officer. Thank you.
Right. I understand what you would like to know. Can you take the complaint now then?
I'm gonna make this very clear. I am not filing a complaint with you. I'm not. Every time shift changes. Just every time. I'm gonna come here, I'm just gonna make a big scene of it. I appreciate the call, but I'm still coming back. Thank you.
Okay.
I think like if the guy has gotten a record, they let it go, right?
Over some
Yeah,
tinted
but
windows.
why is
Why are they
his brother handcuffed?
Illegal search. That was an illegal search right
This is
there.
about the dehumanization of African black people.
It's only for black
That's an
people.
illegal search,
Hell
man.
yeah!
Oh,
All these black
He is
people.
over there looking cool though.
Yes, you feel me? These people come from slave catching.
Okay,
Slave
like people
catchers.
is discrimination.
Do you know the history of policing in America? They came out of slave catching.
All of us are the fucking
They're
discrimination.
about to let him go. They're about to let him go.
Lame as hell, huh, bitch? Y'all good, folks.
They causing a big
Yeah.
Over some tints.
Over some tinted windows. That's a traffic
Just had
stop.
me in the cuffs 20 minutes ago. It's ass a bitch.
That's a fix-it ticket.
That's a fix-it ticket.
Bro, you been watching us, bro.
Hey, where's that fix-it ticket at? Hurry up with that over there.
All niggas over have nice cars.
But they pull me out of the car,
Swear to
right?
God, y'all.
And for the handcuffs, for tinted windows, right? That's every day
Lame
though.
as hell.
Literally, this is every day.
Lame ass.
You'll film
Lame as
10,
hell.
and let me tell you something, you can film this 10 times a day on this street, every day.
I've been working and I've been seeing happening to each brother. Man.
If you're black, you're gonna be pulled out of the car and put in handcuffs. One at a time. It will happen. For music, for loitering. I saw somebody jaywalking.
I'm not even trying to get him. Whip my not cut.
That fix-it ticket, where's it at? Where's that fix-it ticket?
Okay. It's automatic. If you're pulled over and you're black, you are gonna put in handcuffs. I've taken 200 of these stops over the last
You got
3
Tom Brady's brother right here, guys.
100%
Where the roasters at?
are gonna be pulled out with handcuffs.
Look at him.
Free my nigga, Glow. Hey, Glow. He rich as hell. You know, should be known as a Tom Brady.
Rich as hell, boy.
And don't be wrong, I know all these cops. Every single one. Not all of them are jerks.
They already searched. Uh-oh. Patterson. Uh-oh. Tough guy. Where's that fix-it ticket at? Hurry up and give it to him.
About run us our ticket.
It's a fix-it ticket, man.
I swear to God.
I need to fix our damn job.
Uh-oh.
Oh, don't worry.
It's a fix-it ticket, bro.
You want handcuffs over some tickets? Get him out the cuffs, man.
He was waiting on the motherfucker to pull out that parking spot. Yo, lame ass. He lame as
See, that's
hell.
another thing, right? Here's the thing, right? Why couldn't you unhandcuff him over there? Why they gotta walk him over? He's a humiliation.
Bro, we were just 2 blocks away, bro.
They're gonna let him go.
Handcuffs, bro. They waited for smoke in the wood, bro. They just watched our cop for a whole hour until he parked the parking space. So when he parked the parking space, he just pulled it over.
Tell me where's the law?
Hello.
I just
How's
don't
the law like?
understand why they gonna give you
Bullshit, huh?
give you a ticket and keep walking. Why they gotta go?
Whoa. Hey, she can walk by. You can walk by. They can walk by. They can walk by. Oh, okay.
That's why we're here.
Tough guy.
And you wanted to
I explained it to you, right? I explained it to you, right? Right, because you walked right past me. And I explained it to you when we got here. You can videotape if you want to cross or around. And you didn't listen then. Take everything you need. I explained it.
grabbing people and shit.
Hey, look, they're letting them go over there. Look at them. They're letting them go.
Camera.
Oh, wow.
How does it feel to fuck up the mental health?
Illegal search. You guys should be proud of yourselves.
How does it feel to fuck up the mental
It just says so, like,
There you go.
you know, you're like,
Hey, good
if
job,
there's
pigs.
no legal shit, you can arrest me for no reason. That's it.
Hey, man, take off his cuffs. He took off his.
And then if you say that I trespass into, how?
Fuck is they paying taxes?
Old ass
Racist
police
white
car.
militia.
Be slow as
Hey, lame as fuck. Hey, phone, we go.
Whoa, you guys got him, huh? Whoa. What a traffic stop.
Taxpayer dollars. Taxpayer
You guys, illegal search.
Slave patrols. They hunted these people.
Illegal search.
You're a hunter. You're a hunter.
Yeah, get out of here. Time to go, guys.
Time to go.
Yeah, time to go, guys. Walk the shade.
Just step on the curb because they'll give you another ticket. So tell me what happened.
The police, they stopped us at Hope's. They said we were smoking in public. They searched us.
The same cop?
Yeah, then as soon as I pulled off, they pulled me over. And they said for my windows to turn, they searched my whole car.
So they stopped you on the street walk, then when you pulled off, they stopped you for tinted.
Are you fucking serious? Why you just sign a ticket and just say fuck
They
it?
told me to get out the car.
Are you serious?
They ain't even let me, they ain't even come to the window. They got
Did they pull a gun?
I didn't even see. They said get out the car.
You have to put your hand behind your head immediately.
Yeah, they said get out the car. So
Go here. Face the wall.
Face the wall, they frisked me, and they searched the car.
Next
They
time
searched
they do
the
that,
car.
just sign that shit.
They ain't give it to me till right now.
What did
Are
they
you
give it to you
serious? For a tint.
Tinted windows.
for? Okay, so to search your car, they have to have probable cause if a crime has been committed or is in the
They told
process
us
of
get
being
out the
committed.
car instantly.
So, I mean, did they tell you what their cause was or why they wanted you out of the car?
After they told us to get out the car.
They said it was because of weed? Yeah, I know, but they still need probable cause to even get into the car to search, right? So, I mean, did they stay? Because I understand they saw you smoking weed, that's fine.
No, we weren't even smoking.
Okay,
We
so-
weren't even smoking.
Wait, on the street initially they said
We wasn't smoking at all. He pulled us over and he said, get out the car. We say, no, we ain't do shit. It's a traffic stop. He said, get out the car, get out the car. Got out the car. Told him, put him in handcuffs. He said, we pulled you over because of the tints after the fact.
And they didn't state any crime because again, in order for them to search your car, so they can pull you out of the car, all right? Under Mims versus Pennsylvania, they can pull you out. They can't search you. Did they search you? You personally? And they can't search your car without probable cause of either a crime having been committed or about to get into the car.
them in there saying to the window.
That's not sufficient. That doesn't meet what you need to actually pass the criteria to have what they call a reasonable search.
I don't know.
I know, I take this every day. I filmed 200 of these in the last 3 months. So I'm gonna file a complaint on your behalf. I have all the information. I don't need your name. I just get your. No, I'm a hotline.
Oh, are you so?
Wait, they went under the hood too?
They went under the hood.
Okay, so here's what they do, right? There was a shooting over here about 6 weeks ago, and ever since then they look for small reasons to do a search. It's basically a combination of broken windows policing and stop and frisk. So what they, well here, well they're both, right? Because they're going to use the smallest infraction possible to pull you over, the tinted window, and that's their reason for pulling you over. But then to pull you out of the car, they can do that. They can't search you or the person. Or the car.
I'm in the back. He told me to
Without
get
having
out.
probable cause of a crime.
All they needed to do was give him a ticket for his illegal
All they, yeah,
tinted
they didn't have to.
windows.
They could.
Everything else was
The search
irrelevant.
of them,
Yeah,
the search of the
everything else
car
after that was
is
irrelevant.
illegal. You
Yeah.
have to have.
So you need to seek a lawyer.
Yeah, period.
That's
need to get these.
We finna contact our lawyer.
I caught the back end.
because the windows are too
I was gonna
dark.
tell him I got most of it.
Anything
On my channel, he wants to use it as evidence.
Okay, yeah.
If that's what you
Remember my channel name?
And who's the guy who actually pulled you over? Get the name?
You guys use that video.
It wasn't the white guy who I was just talking to over here, right?
When I had
And the only part I didn't get is when he
Short, bald head.
no, not the ball.
All right, I have it on tape.
What is it?
it's M star.
Y'all were here from the beginning? Y'all were here from the beginning? You saw it at the beginning?
Yeah, this is rental assistant. I just got this one.
Oh, yeah.
Here's the thing, whenever y'all see anybody pulled over here, tape them, just automatically.
The same police harassed us like 4 months ago.
They're gonna do it. They all do it. This is all the time. This is every day, nonstop. And I'm gonna tell you, it gets worse. Let me tell you something. It gets worse with women. I've seen a cop pull a woman over. She had no license. They said she can't drive a car. You have to have somebody pick up the car. After 15 minutes, he said, "Get back in the car," and whispered to her. I found him on a scooter almost a mile away. He had to go to a dark street somewhere in a construction zone. And I just happened to catch that. I just happened to follow and got lucky. So things go on over here. So if you see it, tape it, even if you know you don't know what to do with it.
What is LAPD on? Like, why are they telling me this?
So, as you know, there was a bunch of officers there.
Yeah.
And from the photo, it's a little hard to tell.
Yeah, I know.
But I'm not gonna give you like a whole list of officers.
Yeah, it makes no sense.
Okay, but what I will do is I'll give you, this is the incident number from last night. So that whenever you do wanna make a complaint, which I can do right now with you if you'd like. That whenever you do want to make a complaint, which I can do right now with you if you'd like.
It just is easier if I do. I don't like putting you guys through that because it's like the roles of the sergeant and the officer. I'd rather just go ahead and send it directly to Lori and to the OIG. It's easier that way.
Okay, whatever you want. But just reference that incident number. I created an incident number for today. I'm meeting with you right now. But this is the incident number from last night.
Okay, and this is.
That's me.
All right, so who's the officer? I don't have the officer's name.
No, I know. I don't have that to give to you right now because there was many officers there.
No, but there was somebody who actually wrote a ticket. A ticket was issued.
No, I know.
So who wrote the ticket then?
Well, that I'm not going to give you that information
Why
right
not?
now. It will be revealed by the investigation. Well,
What investigation? There's
the
not.
complaint
I
that
haven't
you-
filed a complaint. There's
No, I know.
There's no investigation. I'm just asking to
Yeah.
identify the officer at the scene
Right.
who pulled over. Somebody pulled over.
Yeah.
Somebody was driving that car.
Yeah.
It was their incident. They actually pulled them over.
Right.
I just need to know that officer's name.
right. I understand what you would like to know. Unfortunately,
I'm not. Are you saying that I'm not entitled to get the officer's
Well,
identification?
the only people that are entitled.
That's not what I've been told by. I've been told by specifically by your captain, who actually put it on social media and said specifically.
Right.
So what I'm saying is, when I'm allowed to file a third-party complaint, I'm allowed to
Yes.
identify an officer who's in public. I'm asking, who is that officer in public? After I've already agreed from the person who's pulled over, they said that I could file a complaint on their behalf.
Right.
I need to know who the officer is.
Okay. I can take that complaint for you.
No.
Okay. I can take that complaint for you.
No, I don't want to take the complaint. That's not. There's many different ways to actually file a complaint. One of them is coming to here and talking to a sergeant. That's not the way I want to go ahead and do it.
Okay.
I want to file a complaint differently. I need to know the officer's name to do such.
Okay. Well, you're not.
Can you tell me why you're not going to give me their name?
Well, because I told you.
You said there's an
many-
investigation. There is an investigation as of right now. So.
Correct. Which I'm willing to start. I'm willing to start.
I don't
right now.
want you to start. I just want the officer's name
Okay.
and serial number. I want to know why. If you're not going to give it to me, why are you
Okay.
not giving it to me?
Well,
It seems like you're coming up with excuses. You said because there's an investigation started.
Hold on.
There is no
Will you
investigation.
let me explain why
Sure.
I'm not going to give you that name?
Why?
Okay, because I don't know who it is at this.
Somebody wrote a ticket.
Yes. Let me.
Who was the
hold
officer
on.
who wrote the ticket?
Let me explain to you. That officer works for our entertainment detail. They have a separate office that I don't have a key to. I can't get in there. I can't find the ticket.
There's a log, but there's a log of the incident.
No,
the incident log is going to
hold on.
state who was the officer who pulled him over. I just want to know who that officer is. You know who that officer
I
is.
don't know who that officer is. Okay.
Are you trying to tell me your incident report doesn't list the officer who has actually initiated the stop?
From the incident report, all I have is the unit designation. I don't have the officer's name.
When would you be able to get the officer's name?
Well, if you file a complaint with me,
I don't want to file a complaint with you. I want to
listen. And I will call you several days from now, and I will give you that information.
I got to tell you, I've been through this. The sergeants are no good at this. Okay, you guys have a role to protect their guys. I want to sit there and go above that and beyond around you guys. I have no interest in that. All I want to do is, and this is every time I come here, there's always an excuse on why you guys can't give me the name. Okay. You're trying to tell me that incident report that you have, the incident log, does not have any single officer's name listed, not a single officer or serial number listed.
On the incident printout, it does not.
I'm saying of anything that you have access to in there. You have no access to anything that would identify that officer.
Yes, I could find it. It would take me a lot.
How long will it take?
But
I'm asking you, how long will it take? I can't find out that information. How long will it take?
I can file the complaint.
I don't want to file a complaint with you, okay? I've made that perfectly clear. It's going through that over and over again isn't going to change that. I want to know how long will it take for you to actually identify this officer?
It could take days.
Okay, can you start the process of that right now?
I can. Can you take the complaint now then? Can you take the complaint now then?
No, I'm not filing a complaint. Listen, I'm going to make this very clear. I am not filing a complaint with you. I'm not. Okay. There are 8 different channels I could use.
So you want me to call you later on?
Yeah, I want it as soon as possible. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to come back every time shift changes. Just every time. I'm going to come here, I'm going to come here, I'm just going to make a big scene of it and tell them. Because you know what? It's really ridiculous that a citizen shouldn't be able to get access to basic information that, you know what? I don't believe you for a second when you say that this could take hours or days to figure out. I don't believe that.
Okay. The only people that are truly entitled to knowing this information,
no, that's not what you're
hold on, is the person that was stopped.
It's not true. It's not true. It's just
or,
not true.
Or,
I'm happy I have this on tape.
Hold on. Or if you had walked up to the officers and asked them for a business card.
I got to tell you something. I have confirmed this with Lori. If somebody asks a third party, ask for it. I have them on social media, so it's funny how you are contradicting your own captain. Okay?
Well, you can
and
tell
that's
my captain
one.
that.
And that's one. But additionally, why is this such a problem with me just getting it? You know what? I came up here and I talked to Officer Clark, another sergeant. I asked for the incident. He pulled up the incident report person's name in 2 minutes, and I was out of here. He gave me all their serials, their badge, and everything. And you're telling me that you, with the same information that he had, or same access that he had, you can't go ahead and perform those same duties in 2 minutes. I sat here. It took me 2 minutes. It seems that you're unwilling.
I'm not unwilling.
Okay, I'll tell you what. I'm going to come back in 3 hours. All right, I'm going to try again. I'm going to come back every 3 hours. Will that work?
Can I get your number and then I can?
You know what? I'll give you. Yeah, it's here. 3484. I gotta tell you, I'm just disappointed. This is not. I know for a fact that Sergeant Clark was able to pull this up. I sat here. I don't think I listened to a full song.
It's different because they work our entertainment detail, and there was a bunch of officers at scene, as you know.
Yes, but there's one officer at the scene who actually
wrote the ticket. I don't want to give you the wrong name.
I'm sure. I'm sure. I appreciate it. I'll be back in a few hours if you want to give me a call. Yes, but I mean, I appreciate the call, but I'm still coming back. Thank you.
Okay.
Find it today for you. So that citation was issued by Officer Rodriguez and serial number 43111. Once again, that's Officer Rodriguez, serial number 43111. Okay, feel free to call us if you have any questions. Thank you. Get in there. You're like, I don't want to. No, I'm not going to. Yeah.
I personally rather do my name. Well, him, yeah, but like, I've done a couple.
Oh, yeah.
Like, one was a bit.
Oh, yeah, did you answer these questions?
Yeah.
Like you did.
That's this one, yeah. Well, she's actually complaining, but, hey, we don't have to be filed.
I know, but I got this one guy that was, had video surveillance for the stores. He was not. He had like other neighborhood stuff.
Yeah.
And I like, I don't know, customer service person can't not respond.
Yeah, but see, there's no way because look how fast it's going. You know what I mean?
But why is he getting on the mic, right? He's the driver.
Let me see how he has it on PA though, you know what I'm saying? You gotta press the PA.
I don't know. I know, but that.
I'm just trying to give a gun.
I know. I don't blame him. No, I'm telling the guy, fuck off.